Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we're diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.52. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 43.67% since we first recommended D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 32 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.36% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the lower part of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $13.68 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 127.06% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 107.42% and 256.34%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 247.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 103.22% to 370.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $30.42 and $70.49. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock after gaining 0.02%. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price increased 0.02% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025. This rise moved the price from $14.94 to $14.97. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.49%, ranging from a low of $14.70 to a high of $15.36. It has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, totaling a decrease of 16.6% over this period. Trading volume decreased by 13 million shares on the last day, with a total of 31 million shares exchanged for approximately $459,009,000. It's important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $19.77, while the lowest was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 24.26% or $4.80 below the 52-week high of $19.77, which is also the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has recently reported a significant breakthrough in quantum technology by achieving practical quantum supremacy. The firm has managed to solve complex real-world problems in mere minutes, a task that would traditionally take classical supercomputers millions of years. This groundbreaking achievement has contributed to an impressive 509% year-on-year revenue surge for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025. Totaling $15 million, largely driven by a system sale worth $12.6 million to Jülich. Further strengthening its position, D-Wave has expanded its international footprint with a strategic partnership in South Korea, a move expected to enhance marketability and attract new customers. This expansion comes amidst a high-stakes environment where investor interest in quantum computing continues to rise, fueled by the potential for groundbreaking technological advancements. Over the past 3 months, QBTS stock has surged nearly 88%, driven by various international partnerships and a solid revenue trajectory. Analysts have optimistically raised price targets, with Roth Capital recently increasing its estimate to $18 per share, indicating strong future growth potential. As the market remains positive, bolstered by optimism in the technology sector and endorsements from industry leaders, QBTS is likely to continue attracting investor interest both in the short and long term. In summary, the recent achievements and partnerships position D-Wave favorably for sustained growth in the burgeoning quantum computing industry, creating a compelling outlook for its stock price. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, Benchmark also assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, Roth Capital gave QBTS a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley once again assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated this stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, and so far it has fallen by approximately 21.38%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Inc. holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $15.43. Conversely, in the event of a decline, support will be found from the long-term average at approximately $14.64. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 22 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal was observed 90 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. Upon reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 163 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $14.94. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 660 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 4.49%. Throughout the past week, the daily average volatility has been 6.18%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, Consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $0.0575. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $15.36. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $14.94. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of June, 2025, Nguyen Diane made an insider purchase of 2,501 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. also made an insider purchase, acquiring 10,584 shares of common stock with the same par value. On the 12th of June, 2025, Nielsen Kirsten conducted an insider purchase of 58,644 shares of common stock at the same par value. Just a few days later, on the 16th of June, 2025, Nielsen Kirsten made another insider purchase of 13,000 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, DeLulo John D. made an insider purchase of 20,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of 0.0. In total, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.34, which reflects a decline of 4.23%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top established 21 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are currently negative, which we believe will impact the stock's development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the stock price will increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of June, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open higher by 4 cents and begin trading at $15.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from everyone here at Stock Invest.